Introducing Phits Dynaprint, a new affordable orthotic option designed to give clinicians more choice, more flexibility and a faster delivery time than ever before, without the need to purchase a 3D printer. Dynaprint has been developed, tested and refined by a team of podiatrists and orthotists with vast experience in different forms of 3D printing. Manufactured in the UK via FDM printing and utilising a softer TPU material, Dynaprint delivers enhanced comfort whilst maintaining the quality and support that Phits is known for in a reliable 5 working days. Fully integrated into the Footscan software, Dynaprint is driven by dynamic data and expands your prescriptive options without changing the way you work. This includes new design capabilities, such as an increased overall thickness to address true leg length discrepancies, full-length heel-to-toe wedging, and targeted forefoot offloading for corns and calluses, all alongside the prescriptive options you already know and trust. Phits Dynaprint, designed for comfort, built for flexibility, delivered faster.